Motherfucker! Oh! Damn, and that's the undercover. And that's the undercover. Damn.
Oh, that's Brando, you know that glossy like soprano. That Challenger camo be dripping the fits in the shoes. The ladies don't wait in no line for no kick. See the plug, they pay you with that paper, that's true. Money stacked all to the roof. Car way too fast, that new coupe big over.
What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy, oh, that's Brando sitting in the camo, and I'm back again with another video, man. As you seen the title and the thumbnail, yes, man, we outside. I'm sorry, but it's loud. I'm at the car wash right now, you know what I'm saying, getting the camo cleaned up, you know what I'm saying, for y'all to look at, man. So while y'all watching the video, hit that subscribe button, smash that like video, and drop a comment. And you can say anything. Tell me how you feel, how was your New Year so far? Let me know. But yeah, I'm about to get this thing washed, man, put some gas in this guy, and link up with the game, man. So it's gonna be a lot of action today. We outside with it, so let's see what today brings. Yes, sir. But one thing I can say, bro, about Atlanta traffic,
reported ahead on I-75 and in a quarter mile. You're still on the fastest route.
It will guarantee you traffic, bro. No matter what time of the day is, bro. If you go through Atlanta, you're gonna run into some traffic, bro. So I guess I'm gonna get here a little late. So turn y'all on till I get here, man. So I'm at the meetup spot. A few cars here, but you see where I'm at, man. I'm in the trenches, dog. If you know, you know I'm in the trenches when you at Greenboro. I'm gonna go get me something to eat. Your boy hungry, so I'm gonna turn it back on, man. Yes, sir. Listen, bro. I will never go back in that mall again. I will never go back in that mall again. Bro, it is so ratchet in there, bro. I'm chilling for eating, bro. I'm hungry as fuck. It's so ratchet in there, bro. I had to get in and get out. I had to go use the bathroom, get my food, and head out. Never again. If you come to Atlanta, for my outsiders, my people that stay out of state, do not come to Greenboro Mall. Don't go to Lenox. Don't go to West End. Don't go to South Lake. Hell, don't go to no mall in Georgia. I promise you, bro. I don't care what nobody say. But I see people rolling in and continue eating this and turn back on once they get here. Yeah. Yo, I'm not gonna hold you. This mug is deep. This motherfucker deep. They're not in all the cars, bro. I'm in the car. Of course, I'm gonna get out and give y'all a better view, but just pulling up, bro, this shit is deep, and it's not in everybody, so I guess I'm gonna give these boys another like 20, 30 minutes before we head out, but I'm gonna go ahead and get outside the car and show y'all who all here. Boy, it's a little bit of everything out here, bro. You got the, you know, the Taurus, you got the Honda, Infinity, Brando on the camo.
That's not that's the cat I'm grabbing.
What year is that? That's like a 18, ain't it? 18, 19?
16, 17.
Yeah. What's going on? What's up?
I don't think it's super tough.
This motherfucker is. Jeez, this is him. I ain't gonna cap, bro. It's so deep out here, bro. Sheesh. That bit hard. Let's go.
Hey, let's go. Hey, I'm down on my dick, I ain't even have a thing. I was trying to come up off some chain. Hey, I don't fuck these niggas, they switch like some lane. Hey, stay on my stick like a cane. Hey, fuck nigga play, I'ma blow out his brain. I'm a real nigga, ain't shit changed. I'm a hood nigga, I don't need no attachment. I'ma keep the little bitch.
My nigga Boosie in this bitch, man. Let them know where we at, man.
We out here in this big Greenboro.
Yes, sir. We outside, man. We outside, bro.
Hey, fuck nigga play, I'ma blow out his brain. I'm a real nigga, ain't shit changed. Hey, I'm a hood nigga, I don't need no attachment. I'ma keep the little bitch in brain. Hey, nigga be goofy, they stressing my bitch. Hey, I'm trying to run on my dick. Say, yeah, I'm a cool ass nigga, but you bet not cheat. I'ma still back shoot like Pip. Hey, I just wanna drink, so I brought her some rib. Hey, slide on the arc, cause I'm running the head. Niggas playing, get popped like a motherfucking T. Bitch, stay in the shot like the stove in the kitchen. Hey, want you a feast, I'ma charge you a fee. If you want your break, gotta come I'm out them pockets. Can't wait till I'm booked for a show, I'm a rocket. If a fuck nigga play, I'm a up it and pop it. Knock off his knife. Hey, nigga be camping and flogging. Hey, if a fuck nigga see me in traffic, they die. Fuck around, pop a nigga like a rock star. I was down on my dick, I ain't even have a thing. I was trying to come up off some change. Hey, I don't fuck these niggas, they switch like some lanes. Hey, stay on my stick like a cane. Hey, fuck nigga play, I'ma blow out his brain. I'm a real nigga, ain't shit changed. Hey, I'm a hood nigga, I don't even need no attention. I'ma keep this little bitch up pain. Hey, let's go, ain't shit changed for.
Bro, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. This shit like a Dodge dealership out here, bro. But it's a ton of cars, bro. There's more pulling up, bro. This shit is crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna turn it back on, man. Out. Bro, I had to come in the car. It's so loud out there, bro. But this is my first rally. I'm not doing no speeding. I don't even speed, bro. Drive the speed limit. But I already know these folks about to show their ass. I'm gonna be in the back. I'm gonna cool it. My folks are making already waiting on me. So I'm gonna go and take the drive to making and get this good footage, man. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, man. Let's go. Hey man, look who pulled up, man. My boy Dave pulled up, man. Stop playing with my boy. And make sure y'all go ahead, man. Follow him, man, on IG. Yes, sir. Be my boy. You know what I'm saying? He ain't want to jump to American Made, but you know, that's still my boy. BMW on y'all folks, man. Stop playing.
Big Z.
Yes, sir, man. Big Z01. Stop playing with my boy, man. My boy Justin pulled up on these folks, man. Big Z01. Yes, sir. Bronx. I know. You just got that? You just got the rims?
Yeah. I mean, I had them like 4 months.
4 months? Oh, that shit's still hard. Ain't gonna lie, bro. You need a tent, though, my boy. You need a tent, but Z01, man. You see the seats? My boy Justin pulled up on these folks. Stop playing. Might be the fastest thing out here, though. No cap. That boy came up in the goddamn vet on them folks. That big clean as fuck.
Vets is here.
Shit, yeah, the vets made that noise today, boy. The vets came, boy.
I didn't even want to park.
The vets came, bro. Oh, guy 305 all around or just the 2 back?
345 on back.
345, bro. What the fuck? God damn, boy, these vets came through for real.
They on the ground.
Shit.
Nah, hell yeah.
Boy, these folks out here going stupid. These folks going stupid. Yo, these folks are burning out and showing they ass out here, y'all. On God, these folks showing their ass. But we on the way to making GA. So you already know we don't play, but to make the day. Sway. Subscribe to the channel, by the way. Hey, I'm coming soon, man. Y'all tap in. Yo, we went on the side of the highway now. As you can see, it's a long line, and they still flying by. God damn. So, yo, I'm telling you. Yo.
Them niggas sliding.
Bro, they slide for real. I'm about to pull out in a minute. Pause.
What? I'm saying, yeah, yeah, what's up?
Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and slide out.
All right, go ahead. You need me to back up?
No, I think they jumping in front of everybody. I think they all leaving at once.
Hey, fuck my baby mama, nigga. Hey.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, but they was driving the hell out these motherfuckers out here, boy. I'm really just chilling, bro. But as you can see, these folks
my first mistake, like I had a baby by a ratchet hoe. I should've killed the P and fucked the ones that hit the dough. But then I fucked them, I got trapped up by a white hoe. Oh, stupid bitch, she was crazy, so I had to go. On my future Hendrix shit, I got hella odds. Yo, hoe, she swallow all my kids like she do a dog. That like Poppy, why you slutting out these bad bitches? I don't know, I don't love them, I just love my riches. I treat my op like his grandma hit him with the swishes. Face shot only clothes cats that he gon' need some stitches. I been crippin' 16 years, I'm a big homie. I go to war with anybody like that nigga Tony. Sit like double O, we having real clientele. Call a bad flipper when it's time to move a bell. OGGC, he the muscle, he like hair real. Harry Potter with the stick, but I ain't casting spells. I'm ballin' like LeBron when he played for the Heat. Monopoly money, green and blue and pink and stack.
That been hard, my boy popped out on them folks. That bitch tough as fuck,
bitch, I sneak and
no cap. Got the Camaros up there. I ain't about to play with them folks. I know 12 is up here waiting somewhere. I know they is, bro. I got a feeling 12 is up here waiting somewhere. My boy Dave right there. Got a BMW motherfuckers. Bro, I'm not gonna hold you, bro. Them Honda drivers different, bro. Them Honda drivers are different. Why we on this cruise down here, bro? Whoever in this red Honda, bro, say something in the comments, bro, cause you damn near earn your stripes on these roads, dog. On God, you showed your ass out here. The Honda drivers, man, you gotta love them, man. You gotta love them. They part of the car community. They go crazy too. Shit, they were right here. He going dumb. He going crazy out here. So I'm gonna turn back on once we get down here. We got about 40 minutes till we get down here. Once we get down here, I'm gonna turn back on, man. Yes, sir. No, we dead ass got an escort, dog. Like, no cap. Whoever in this Apollo, you're the GOAT. But he got like these lights on. I'm at the train, but he got like these lights on his back window. And I guess people thinking that he's an escort for real, so they getting out the way. My boy, my boy Boosie in that bitch, that scat motherfucker. That boy, that scat motherfucker. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. You got a ZL one right there. Oh God, she real MVP. She getting them good angles. Stop playing with her. It's cold as hell out here. And she hanging out the sunroof getting these angles. Yes, sir. Shout out to her, man. She the real MVP, man. On God. She went crazy. Wide body scat. That bitch sexy as hell, though. Getting them angles. Carno that wind smacking her ass in the face. They're going to get right here, little mama. Yes, sir. They showing their ass, though. Shit. Out here. Oh, shit, we just passed 12. I don't really give a fuck about oh, they coming. They coming. Oh, they coming. Oh, my God. You hear what this guy like this bitch gotta say. They ain't coming for me, though, boy. I'm the slowest one out here. I'm out here stuttering and showing scared. Bro, I knew they was down here for sight, bro. I knew it. They can't come for me, though. They can't. I'm the slowest one out of everybody, bro. But watch. I'm gonna turn back on. Hopefully when I turn back on, I'm at the location, man. I'm definitely gonna get put over. Fuck that. Oh, they ain't getting me. Oh, he ain't getting me. Oh, that nigga not bullshitting, boy. That nigga not bullshitting. Oh, shit. Bro, he's not. Who he going after? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, no. I got the escort. They jammed up the escort. Damn. And that's the undercover. And that's the undercover. Damn. Hey, Boosie, I'm on your ass. Why they got behind Boosie? Boosie slaying on the brakes so goddamn hard. I'm on your ass, Boosie. Oh, there's some more coming. Oh, snap. Let me turn it down. Boy, that's right. That's so goddamn hard. Oh, you saw him? That man said you caught it. That's a Hellcat right there, boy. That bitch so motherfucking hard. Sheesh. God damn, that bit loud. Boy, we out here, man. We out here, bro. Bro, it's a lot, but we got here. Thank God, it should say student driver. Ha. That's funny. But yeah, we out here, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a long line. Some people got pulled over. Some made it fine. I'm happy I made it fine. So we want to see who all made it here first, man. Yes, sir. All right, man. We just made it here. Look at them. What all these cars doing out here, dude? Face ass. But yeah, we out here, man. Look at them. Yeah, got some camera time. Well, we out here at this mall. We got to try to find some parking. But we made it down here successfully, which is a good thing. So hit that subscribe button. Look at my boy. Check him out. Oh, they got these bitches all lined up. Sheesh. They down here waiting, boy. And making for you. Dog, where we at?
know what I'm saying? We just we hit 1 million at the end of 2022, so we know 2023 coming up.
Yes, sir.
Like, comment, subscribe on our YouTube channel, Georgia Car Show Spare Road 2K, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. You heard what he said? We outside, man. But this bit right here so goddamn hard, boy. They got the Venom on the side. This rap is tough. This rap tough. This rap is hard, bro.
Get 500 miles.
This shit is hard, bro. Now look at the details, bro. Look at the details, bro. And that bitch on bags. And that bitch on bags. He got this bit right here. Let's see what's in the mud, though. God damn. God damn. That why that bill taking off like that. I knew something was in that hole. Ain't gonna lie, this Honda hard. Got the underglow lights. That bit tough. Got the Durango. Got the Charlie. You got this right here. My boy, what's going on, man?
They're all coming, man. That too.
Bro,
take
they
a
was.
bathroom break.
Oh, they took a bathroom break.
Bro, we're right here.
But they was snatching everybody up one by one, bro. It was. Oh, that bitch on bags. You can hear that shit. Ain't like that Jaguar taking off. Got that motherfucking cat. Got that half and half. 392 motherfucker. One boy named Hemi. Got the Camaro. God. Boy, got this bitch on bags, boy. That bit hard.
Oh, okay, well you good then.
That bit hard, boy.
They didn't tell you what to do.
You can hear that bit.
Oh, well, you gotta. I'm waiting for it.
That bit hard, boy. That bit hard. And this shit's on the charger, bro. This shit's on the charger, bro. Shit. But that bit right here hard as fuck, boy. Oh God, I don't know if this is a wrap or paint, but that bit tough. But that's the Honda right there. The red Honda, that's him right there. That man snap. That man snap with the Hondas. That man snap with the Honda, man.
I thought you was right there.
Hey, smoke that bitch out. Okay. Okay. Let me take my black ass. Let me go the back way. YouTube, made it to the crib, man. No pullovers, no arrest was made. Shout out to the gang, shout out to everybody. Shout out to you, most importantly, for watching the video. I know it's dark right now, all you can see is my hand and my teeth, but shout out to you for watching this whole video, man. Thank y'all for subscribing, thank you for liking this video. I appreciate you so much. Thank you to all my supporters for supporting me since day one. I'm really out here putting in this work. So it was a great day today, man. It was just cold as hell, so my night is over with. I'm gonna take this hot ass shower, give me something to eat, and watch the playoffs. Brendo out.
Challenger, it be too low with that engine. New Mocha's 500, he dripping expensive. I know how I get it. Them trenches.